It only took me a few seconds to realize that this book was a fake. In the original message, weeks had been spelled with an apostrophe. Wait a minute. Yo! And to my worst fear, the guard had gone completely invisible. And if he managed to make it to the castle, he would definitely hand over the owl's message to Lettuce, which would in turn put the owl in serious danger. But, seeing that there were no other guards in the area, I realized that this was my chance. I had to kill him.